Hello, this is W3OY and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I got a package today with some locks in it. So we are going to open this bad boy up. Oh well. Did I open it the right way? Yes, I did. Okay. We got some locks from eBay. Let's see. First one is an old brass sergeant. Works pretty good. Fitting is kind of yuck, but whatever. Still a working lock. I'll take it. Next, we have a Corbin. That works too. Good. Looks like it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin. Ooh. But it almost looks like there's wafers inside. It's very weird. It's got five of something in there. It definitely looks like there's wafers in there. Oh, and we have an FS. I don't know what that stands for. Looks like a warded lock, so I'm going to have to make something to pick this guy. Oh, that's smooth. Nice. Oh, there we go. We got 2 clicks out of that one. So it's adjustable. Cool. All right, so go in there. Okay. Let's pick one to pick. We'll do the sergeant maybe next time. Let's do this Corbin. Okay. I don't like that. Let's go this way. Okay. There's the key again. If anybody recognizes this lock that watches, let me know what the heck lock this is, because I'd be curious. I don't think there's any way to gut this thing, so I'm curious if there's wafers in it. It almost looks like wafers, not pins. Okay, let's pick this guy using short flat from Moki. That keyway is gigantic. See if the 2 mil fits, and it certainly does. Okay, so let's pick this guy using the Moke Workshop flat hook number 1 and the 2mm pry bar. Okay, nothing on 5. Click on 4. Click on 3. Nothing on 2. Click on 1. Get back to the beginning. Try 5. Okay, we got something on 5 this time. Ooh. False set. It's not open. We'll click on 4. Nothing on 3. 2. And we are open. Okay, that was pretty straightforward. Little Corbin old padlock with the short hook from Moke. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, tell all your friends. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.